These are the latest updates in the parking industry. EasyPark has announced their plans to extend into Switzerland next year. EasyPark will provide their hub and MPP services in Zurich, as well as their find and park and parking dashboard innovations. Q3 have announced the successful pilot of their ParQSense outdoor sensors at the Mackay Meters headquarters. The ParQSense outdoor sensors combine multiple sensing technologies to ensure maximum detection accuracy, and their durability made them ideal for the often variable Nova Scotia weather. Hectronic are set to install 330 Cytia parking machines in Stockholm. These solar-powered machines feature touchscreen technology, and as payment is made by card, they offer a cost-effective solution. And just take a look at that picture. The harbour really does make for a stunning backdrop to Hectronic's Cytia machine. QPark UK have signed a 35-year lease agreement with the Mailbox, Birmingham's premier shopping, office and lifestyle destination. QPark will introduce a new state-of-the-art parking management system at the 687-space car park, as well as convenient services such as shoe shine machines, jump starter kits and complimentary umbrella hire. Get My Parking are collaborating with 91 Springboard, a leading provider of co-working office spaces in India. Get My Parking have installed the latest in smart parking technology at their faculty in Koramangala, Bangalore. The Get My Parking platform, GMP Enable, automates parking sessions to create a ticketless, cashless parking experience. Registrations for our 3 networking events this year are now open. Join us for more than 20 hours of networking, focused on shopping centre parking, airport parking and venue parking. Visit parkingevent.com for more information about registration for operators as well as for companies wishing to exhibit. We also look forward to meeting you at this year's NPA Convention and Expo in Las Vegas from the 22nd to the 25th of October. We will be at booth 131, so make sure you stop by to see us. Visit our events tab at parking-net.com to find out more. Now that's it for this week's Parking Network news. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine and I'll be seeing you next time.